Anele Mdoda is being attacked there by X, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by holding down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. This should have trended a day ago because it did not start today. It was brought back by Chris X's latest tweet. So if you don't know what happened, then here it is. The MK Party's Twitter page posted a notice of conference where they were going to announce their top command. And on that post, there was a sentence that says, Jacob Zuma will be addressing the nation, which certainly did not sit well with Anele because she decided to address that sentence, stating that only a sitting president of a country can address the nation. The MK Party and President Jacob Zuma will be having a conference and not addressing the nation, and that is me paraphrasing, ladies and gentlemen. So Anele saying that got MK fans so angry they went on to attack her on the comment section, but that one passed. It only came back when Anele posted the following on her timeline. Good morning, people of the Republic. I'll be addressing the nation on ENCA at 8:30. Do join me. Now after this tweet, one MK member responded and retweeted, "Go and address Alake's father who disappeared and never came back." And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Anele's baby dad and son got dragged into this whole situation. Chris Axel joined the conversation and said this, which ended up with Alake trending on X. And for people who don't know, Alake is Anele Mdoda's son, so Chris Axel posted the following. Until Anele Mdoda posts Alake's father, let's not be quick in saying that Dinamo doesn't have a child because no one knows Alake's father, but the boy is always with Sizwe Dlomo, even on Father's Day. Now, Sizwe and Anele are close friends, so what Chris Axel is saying does make sense at some point. I don't really know how much time Sizwe and Alake spend together, but if they're spending that much time together, then you know what, let me just keep quiet before I also get dragged to this. So after this whole situation, Twitter has now turned into MK Party's fans against Anele Mdoda's fans. MK Party fans are insisting that Anele Mdoda doesn't know who the father of her son is, while Anele's fans are protecting her, saying that they know who Alake's father is. I even saw one tweet telling that Anele always posts Alake's father. I also went to Google to search whether I'll be able to find the guy, and I came across this picture on Anele's old Facebook post. And this was back in 2018. It doesn't have a caption, but people in the comment section are assuming that this is Alake's father, so we don't know, ladies and gentlemen. I just found this pretty much exciting, especially the Sizwe Dlomo part. Anyway, do share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.